So of this region, and the bottom curve we know is y is equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 5. We know that the top curve is a horizontal line, but we aren't given what value of y that is equal to. But we do know that they intersect at x is equal to 2. So what let's start by doing is figuring out this line on the top. So the line on the top is y is equal to some number, a constant. Let's call that constant a for now. And if we set a is equal to the other equation, because if we're setting these two functions equal to each other, we can write a is equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 5. And this occurs when x is equal to 2. So now let's sub in x is equal to 2 to make a is equal to 2 cubed minus 2 times 2 plus 5. Simplifying, we get a is equal to 2 cubed is 8 minus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5. So a would be equal to 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 5 is 9. So this a value should be 9. That helps us to set up our definite integral that we're going to do the integral from, we always do the top function minus the bottom function. So since a is equal to 9, the top function is y is equal to 9. So we'll do 9 minus the bottom function, which is given as x cubed minus 2x plus 5. And we'll put our variable as dx. And looks like that we need to put our limits of integration, which looks like that we're integrating from the y-axis, which is where x is equal to 0, up to where x is equal to 2. So this is our definite integral that we need to solve. We can first simplify by distributing our negative. So this is from 0 to 2, 9 minus, distribute our negative to the x cubed to make it negative. A negative negative is a plus, so plus 2x, and then distribute the negative to the 5, minus 5 dx. We can simplify, our 9 minus 5 would go to 4. So this is the integral from 0 to 2 of negative x squared plus 2x plus 4 dx. So from here, to take our integral, we use the formula that the integral of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And so we take our integral, we leave the negative x, add 1 to 2 to get 3, divide by the new exponent is 3, plus 2x. If the exponent isn't written, it's an understood 1, so we add 1 to make that 2, divide by the new exponent, 2, plus, if there's ever a constant, we just add a variable to it, so it's 4x, and we need to evaluate that from 0 to 2. To evaluate, we plug in the top number first, and then subtract out the bottom number. So this would be negative 2 cubed over 3 plus 2 times 2 squared over 2 plus 4 times 2. And then subtract out plugging in 0, but that will just be, like every term has an x, so it would be 0 and 0 and 0. This one right, there we go. Okay, so simplifying, we get 2 cubed is 8, negative 8 over 3, plus this 2 and this 2 can cancel to make that a 2 squared is 4, plus 4 times 2 is 8. So we can add the 4 and the 8 to get 12, so negative 8 over 3 plus 12. And then to add these two fractions, we need to make a common denominator. So make a denominator of 3, which means we need to multiply the numerator by 3 as well to get 8 over 3 plus 36 over 3, which is equal to 36 minus 8 is 28 over 3, which would be the final answer. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more homework help.